Hi there. Welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Saturday, September the 19th. The second one, 2 out of 8, is a 2 stars Sudoku. Let me position the camera correctly. Yes. Alright. And this one will be a number 1569. Before I start, I always count the printed numbers. A 2-star Sudoku has always 26. Let me check if this is correct. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 5 is 17, plus 2 is 19, plus 3 is 22, 23, plus 3 is equal to 26. Yes, correct. Alright, so let's get started. I see here in this column 4 missing numbers. Well, 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 9. In this big square we have the 3 and the 9, so no 3 and a 9 in these two boxes. The 3 and the 9 goes in those two boxes. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers. 6 and the 8, we have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And now we have here 3 missing numbers. Well, 6 missing numbers in the last column. 3 of those missing numbers are the 2, 4, and 8. So in this column we are missing the 2, 4, and 8. We have the 2, 4, and 8 in this big square, so no 2 and 4 and 8 in these 3 boxes. The 2, 4, and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 2, so no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. The 4 and the 8 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. These 3 missing numbers are the numbers 3, 5, and 6. And look, we have the 3 and the 6 there. So no 3 and the 6 in this box. The 3 and the 6 goes in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 1 is missing. The 7 is missing. And the 9 is missing. Look, we have the 9 and the 7. So no 9 and the 7 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 1. The 9 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 9 there. No 9 here. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so the third row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 3 and 8. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3 is missing in this big square, and a 5 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there, and a 5 goes there. Seven, 6. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is in 5. We see here 5, so no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 7 and the 6. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 6 goes there. One number left in the middle, a row for the number 6. These two numbers should be the 7 and the 1. Let me mark them. It's up here. Then 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so that row. Only place for the 4 should be here. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. Oh no, we already have an 8 here. Yeah. One in the first row, 1 in the third row, so in the second row. Only 2 places for the 1. Should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 box left. In this column for the number 8. Yes, 8 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 6 and the 4 are missing. Let me mark them for you. 6 and the 4. Then. 3, 6, and 5. 2 boxes left in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. The 3 and the 6 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 1. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this can't be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be the 7. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row, so the row between, the only 3 places for the 1, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 3 and 7. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle columns of the column. Next, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1 number left in this column for the number 6, I believe. Yeah, 6 is missing. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9. Let me mark them for you. I cannot fill this yet. These 2 numbers in this big square should be the 3 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait 2 pairs. How about how about these 3 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 8 is missing, and 7 is missing. 4, 7, and 8. I see here 4, 7 in this row, so no 4 and the 7 in this box. The 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for the number 8. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be the 9. 1 box left in the third row for the number 6, and these 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, 3 and a 7. We have now a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you soon in a minute with the 3 Stars Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.